Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. And today we're going to open Shopkins.
Yeah, war vacation pack, right?
Yeah,
Or this is boarding to Europe. You can have a chance to get the French, UK, Italian, German, and the Spanish.
So let's open it.
Yeah.
Yay, let's open it.
You got a hidden eye, didn't you?
Yeah, let's start in the castle. Ow, fall on the floor, Dad. Get me, cameraman. You take it out. Oh, we got this mystery bag. I think it will be a guitar because it's very see-through. I can see through it.
See-through?
Yep.
You mean this one? The package is see-through.
No, this is see-through. The bag, the yellow bag is see-through. Look, I got a very sparkly guitar. Bling, bling. Let's put it there. Ooh, this one's silver. I got it. It was only on my lap. Peely.
We don't have any crown.
I don't have any what?
Crown. For the UK one, you can have a crown. Kansley crown. And some
Oh,
other
we
crown.
also can have a snow globe.
Yeah, let's have a close up on a small one.
Oh, it's in my mouth. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. Bye!